Good morning, everybody. It's Thirsty Thursday, as some people call it, but we have a beautiful sunrise. And today I'm going to talk about one of the first, I guess, mantras, whatever term you want to use, that when I started my uphill climb back to positivity, living the better life, showing gratitude for everything that I had, and that's how you get more. And the first one I did was I put a poster on my wall in my office. It was "Take It Easy," based on the old Eagles song. Actually, it was their first hit, I believe. And just take it easy. And that's when your mindfulness picks up, because you're not going to think too clear if you're being agitated and letting everything bother you like I used to. And I mean, hell, I'm a Jersey boy. I lived in Central Jersey. I can walk a block, be on the train, and be in Manhattan in less than an hour, which is one transfer. It's absolutely amazing that's what the city does to you, and that kind of lifestyle. It gets you all hyper and crazy. So what you need to do is learn to take it easy.